Hi friends, welcome to Crochet with Naughty Tales. Today I'm going to show you how to make solid granny square blanket. I've already made most of it. As you can see, it's got beautiful colors. It's a very simple blanket, but the colors are very pretty. So this is the yarn that I've used, Ganga Crypto. It says 4 mm, but I have used 3.5 mm crochet hook and 4.5 for knitting needles. It's 100% acrylic yarn, 135 rupees per ball. This is the shade number. To make this blanket, you need to just know double crochet. So we begin with 3 double crochets and then keep adding 4 double crochets at each row. So this is how the count goes. I'll be making 30 by 30 inches blanket. I've pulled out the tail from center of the yarn cake. Let's begin. Begin with a magic circle. Chain 2, and 2 double crochet. So we will be counting chain 2 as our first double crochet. This is our first double crochet, second and third. Now chain 2, 3 double crochets, chain 2, again 3 double crochets, pull the loose tail of the yarn, chain 2, 3 double crochets. Chain 2 and then slip stitch in the first double crochet which we had made. Now to get a perfect granny square, we need to pull the loose tail tightly. Now you can see it looks like a proper square. To get a better granny square, we need to slip stitch till the chain 2 space. So that the chain 2 looks like a double crochet in all the steps. Chain 2 in the chain 2 space, double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochets in the same chain 2 space. So this is how we increase our work. 2 double crochet on each side of the work. Now we do 3 double crochets in between. And again in this chain 2 space, we do 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets. So this is how we increase with 4 double crochets on each side. So you will have 7 double crochets on each side of your work. Three double crochets, and then 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets in that side space of chain 2 of the previous row. It's a very simple pattern, but you need to be very careful that you do not skip any of the double crochets. Otherwise your work will look uneven. So I would suggest it's better to count the stitches at each and every step, so that it's easier to know where you've gone wrong. So as you can see, we are increasing with 2 double crochets in each corner. So each size there is an increase of 4 double crochets. Now this part is tricky. As you have already done 2 double crochets on both sides, you just need to do 3 double crochets in the center. It's a little difficult to insert the needle initially because you've done single slip stitch. Now we slip stitch till the chain 2 space. This is how your work will begin to increase. So at this stage in row 2, you should have 7 double crochets on each side of the row. So continue to add 4 double crochets on each side and your blanket is ready. I'll add another row and I'll show you how it will look like. So in this row, you will have 11 double crochets on each side of your row. As we had 7, we add 4 to that. So it will be 11 on each side of the row. Continue the same process till your desired size of the blanket. Just be careful to count your rows before you start the next row so that you know that the work is equal on all 4 sides. keep adding the rows, and this is how it will increase. I'll show you the blanket which I've already made. This is how it will keep increasing. 4 double crochets on each side of the row. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share.